For this third piece, we need to find the multiplication of f and g of x. So that means if we are finding f of g of x, we need to go ahead and that is f of x times g of x. So we're going to be multiplying those two functions, x squared minus 2x times 3x minus 4. Now you can use FOIL or you can use the box. I'm just going to go ahead and use FOIL. That gives me a 3x cubed minus a 4x squared, and then minus 6x squared plus 8x. So we end up with 3x cubed minus 10x squared plus 8x, and then that is our solution of f of g of x. And for our domain, once again, looking at the domain of f and g multiplied together, that does give us the range of all real numbers, or we can say negative infinity to positive infinity. The domain is truly affected when we are doing division, and that's what you're going to see in the next video.